Ricky was a young boy, he had a heart of stone. Lived 9 to 5 and worked his fingers to the bone. Just barely out of school, came from the edge of town. Fought like a switchblade so no one could take him down. No, he had no money, no good at home. And he fought the world alone, and now it's 18 in life, you got it. 18 in life, you know your crime is time, and it's 18 in life to go. 18